Hi all, welcome to the Threads Room. So today I wanted to go through my latest fabric haul from Fabric Mart and also talk about a few notions that I bought from Wallwack as well as Thanks I Made Them. So let's start with the notions. So first I bought these scissors from Wallwack. And actually, let me give you the proper name. They are the Ginger Knife Edge Applique Trimmers. And some people call them duckbill scissors, and they're really used to get a clean cut on like multiple seam allowances, so you won't have that bulk of fabric and all those seam allowances. And I actually bought this after I saw Yoga Bird Sews. She did a sew along for Know Me 2052, and she was using a sort of thicker fabric, flannel fabric, and these really came in handy to cut that bulk of the seam allowances. So next, also from Wallwack, I'm also always running out of elastic, so I loaded up on elastic. This is the elastic non-roll waistband in black. This is 1¼ inch wide waistband elastic, and it's 12 yards of it. And this is 1 inch, also 12 yards. And I also bought, I'm gonna take this yet, a big one of white. This is 1½ inch elastic, and it's 36 yards. So I will not run out of elastic anytime soon. And again, the elastic and the scissors are from Wallwack. Okay, next, I just received this week a custom tailor's clapper from Thanks I Made Them. Isn't this beautiful? These this is the notion, what she calls the notion toss print, and then I had the Threads Room custom on the clapper. This is fantastic, and I love it. These would make great gifts for sewers, quilters, crafters, but I love this. So let's get into this fabric. Again, all these fabrics are from Fabric Mart. So this first one, and I'm going to look at my notes, is a taffy pink black tweed herringbone suiting, and it is 56 yards in width, and it is beautiful. It's not very heavy, so there's a bit of a drape to it. So I'm thinking definitely or probably some a pair of trousers, which are on my Make 9 board for this year. You could even make a jacket, suiting jacket, or a vest, or maybe a vest and trousers. That would be nice. That would be really nice. So I bought 3 yards of this. Next, this beautiful, beautiful print. This is gorgeous. This is a fern green, hot chili, red, white multi tropical floral over lattice print Mikado twill suiting. And it's a little heavier than I thought it would be, but I think once it suggests you dry clean it, but I'll put it, I'll use the dry cleaner bags and dry clean it at home. I think once it goes to the dryer that it'll probably lighten up a little bit, but this is gorgeous. And this is from a new designer, or new to Fabric Mart designer, that they're selling on their site. They have a lot of new fabric and prints from Kimberly Goldson. If you check out her website, Kimberly Goldson's website, she's a designer, and you'll see some of this print on her website. I bought, this is 58 inches in width. I bought 3 yards, and it's just beautiful. And I'm thinking probably definitely sort of a transitional to spring jacket out of this. maybe, I shouldn't say definitely, maybe, you know how we change our mind, but probably a transitional spring jacket. This is gorgeous. All right, so next I bought this solid piece. This is Sour Apple, 100% cotton twill, bottom weight woven. And it is 46 inches in width. Sort of a medium weight fabric, good for maybe some cargo pants or some culottes. Love the color. This is a black palm green nylon lycra floral print mesh knit, and it is 58 inches in width. You can see that it's see-through. It's a mesh. So this can be something, a dress or a top and bottom that goes over a swimsuit. That's what I was thinking. So this print is beautiful. All right, next another knit and a lovely print. And I don't buy double brushed poly that often, but this print was so beautiful. So this is blue, violet, tangerine, olive, poly lycra tie-dye print double brushed knit. And it's actually, it's pretty thick, which is good. I don't like the, I don't tend to gear towards the thinner knit. So this is a good weight. And again, very pretty. All right, next, another knit in a beautiful print. This is Seafoam Hot Magenta Powder Blue Multi Nylon Lycra abstract print, mid-weight, jersey knit. And with the jersey knits, I typically like, again, the thicker jersey knits rather than the thinner ones. And this is another print or another fabric from Kimberly Goldson. So her prints are really beautiful. Stretch, of course. Beautiful. And next, I bought some activewear fabric because activewear is also on my Make 9 challenge board. So I bought some pretty bright colors. So this is highlighter pink nylon lycra activewear knit, 58 inches in width. And then this is inchworm green nylon lycra activewear knit, 52 inches in width. Very nice. I like the bright colors for working out. And then this is a Tiffany blue nylon lycra swimwear or activewear knit, imported from Italy. And this is 56 inches in width. So I'll be able to make lots of activewear. And lastly, I cannot forget about my Black Sewing Network merch. Thank you, Carmen. I think that she might have a few pieces left. There might be a couple of t-shirts left. I know that the hat is sold out, but she might have a couple of t-shirts left. I'm not sure, but just check out Black Sewing Network. Check them out on Instagram. So until next time, happy sewing.